We are here for the launch of our next model, the Realme 6i, that comes with power. Power that comes from the processor, power that comes from the camera and the overall experience. So let's dive just right into it. This is our brand new Realme 6i. A powerful new monster deserves a brand new design, and I believe that our users will be thrilled to know about the design specifications of the Realme 6i. It comes in two amazing new colors, the white milk and the green tea. These are two special inspirations that have been drawn from the ordinary life of people. So let's discuss these colors one by one. First, we have the white milk color. The inspiration from this has literally been drawn from the milk itself. It gives you a silky smooth experience that you cannot have anywhere else. Our designers wanted to come up with something new. That is why they came up with the green tea color. And as you all know that every color requires a different tuning. So the green tea color has been perfectly pitched for that. So we are calling this the real design, the real masterpiece. After a particular spray coating process, the Realme 6i becomes more and more sophisticated. So with the Realme 6i, you get the chance to unleash the power. So what's next? We believe that for the users, the most important thing is the performance. And performance is directly tied to the processor that acts like the heart of the phone. So I'm glad to announce that the Realme 6i is going to feature the world's first Helio G80 processor. This processor is ideal for giving you amazing gaming experience. For example, the Hyper engine inside the Helio G80 automatically defers the audio call signal so that your signals do not drop even while you're gaming. A Helio G80 processor has a pair of ARM Cortex-A75 cores along with 6 ARM Cortex-A55 cores that clock up to a speed of 2.0 GHz, giving you multi-core improvement up to 35% and single-core improvement up to 17%. The GPU gives you 25% graphics improvement. So it is going to give you a gaming experience that is going to be unparalleled in this price segment among the peers and also among the number series. Let's have a performance test. As you can see that 2,01,278. This is an amazing score, I must say, and it has been tested in the Realme lab itself. Talking about the AnTuTu benchmark, as you can see, as compared to the competitors, Realme 6i leads in the AnTuTu benchmark category. So what's next? Next, we have the camera. I believe that our users will be extremely excited to know about the details. So let's just dive right into it. The Realme 6i features a 48 megapixel primary lens as compared to the previous generation's 12 megapixel camera. It has a wide-angle lens that gives you a visual angle of 119 degrees for you to capture more. In addition, it also features your favorite portrait lens that lets you capture amazing-looking portraits, and also the macro lens that lets you capture the beauty of the micro world from a closer distance. And let's not forget that the Realme 6i also has the Super Nightscape mode that lets you take amazingly clear pictures even in the low light. And I believe that the users have grown fond of the front camera and they want to take more and more pictures. That is why with the Realme 6i, we are coming up with a 16 megapixel front sensor instead of the last generation's 8 megapixel camera, so that you can enjoy taking endless selfies with your loved ones. Just look at these amazing selfies. Very well exposed, the background is amazingly blurred so that you get high quality selfies. As you all know, we always love to be closer to our fans. So now moving back towards the Realme 6i, it has a large 5000 mAh high capacity battery that you always love. We believe that a large battery means longer durability. Talking about the durability, let's look at a short comparison. As you can see that the Realme 6i batteries last for 39 days. That is a really long standby. It means that if you charge your phone and leave it in your drawer, if you turn it on within 30 to 39 days, it will still be on. Even if you turn the screen time on, it will still last for 40 hours, which is still more than that of the competitor. Next, we have improved the battery, the camera, the performance, but we also want to improve the overall experience. So for that, we have our 6.5-inch mini drop display that gives you an 89% screen to body ratio so that you can enjoy your videos or gaming as you like. We also have the new eye care mode that dynamically adjusts the brightness according to the method that is being used. So what's next? As compared to the previous generation that had a 10-watt charging experience, we have brought you an 18-watt charging facility. Realme has always lent the fast charging experience in the industry, and this time is going to be no different. The 18-watt charging experience charges your phone way better as compared to the previous generation. It is faster and safer, thanks to the Type-C port that you now get in the Realme 6i. So let me give you a go-through of all the specifications in the Realme 6i. The Realme 6i has the world's first Helio G80 processor along with a 48-megapixel quad camera, a 16-megapixel selfie camera, 5000 mAh high-capacity battery, 18-watt charging experience, and not to forget the Type-C port. So these amazing features, any guesses of what the price is going to be? This is going to be my last question for this event. So I encourage you to comment and get this chance of winning the brand new Realme 6i. So we are getting a lot of exciting comments in the comment section. Keep the comments going. And now it is my time to reveal the price. So the price of Realme 6i is going to be 31,999 rupees.